Welcome to CodingCraft. In this video, we'll solve Meta's Portals Puzzle, Level 2. It's a classic breadth-first search problem, with a twist. You can walk through the grid or instantly teleport between matching portals. Let's see how to reach the exit in the fewest possible seconds. Let's look at the task description from Meta's Portals Puzzle. We're given a grid of cells containing walls, empty spaces, exits, and a single starting point S. Some cells contain portals marked with lowercase letters. All cells with the same letter are connected. Each second, you can move to an adjacent cell or instantly teleport through a portal. The goal is to find the minimum number of seconds required to reach any exit. Here's the main idea. We treat the grid as a graph where each cell is a node. You can move in 4 directions or instantly teleport between matching portals. Breadth-first search guarantees the shortest path, while visited cells prevent loops. Each portal letter is used only once, keeping the algorithm linear in grid size. Here's the Python implementation. We use a breadth-first search starting from the S cell. For each position, we expand normal moves, and, when standing on a portal, we teleport to all same letter cells. Each portal letter is used only once, keeping the algorithm linear in the number of cells. Let's quickly recap what we learned. We modeled the grid as a graph and used breadth-first search to guarantee the shortest path. Each portal letter is expanded only once, keeping the solution linear in time. The result easily passes all meta test cases. More clean Python puzzles are coming soon on CodingCraft, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.